Welcome to the Financio Payroll tutorial, where we'll guide you through setting up your company and managing payroll processes. Let's dive right in for a seamless experience with Financio Payroll. First, access the Settings menu and go to Company Setup to configure your company policies and details. In the Basic tab, input your company's general and statutory information. Click Edit to provide accurate company details. You will need to select a representative from the existing employees list. Click Save to update the informations. Next, scroll down to fill in the company's statutory information. Click Edit and provide the CPF submission information, IRA submission information, and bank information. Save the changes to update the information. Now, let's set up your company's bank for employee salary payments. Proceed to the Bank File tab. Select the desired bank from the supported options, and enter the relevant bank details. Click Save to save the settings. Financio Payroll supports multi-currency, enabling you to track, manage, and perform all international payroll tasks from one secure portal. Simply visit the Currency tab to set it up and start managing and tracking multiple currencies seamlessly. Now let's proceed with setting up your company structure. Go to the Structure tab where you can easily add departments and positions. This allows you to assign employees to their respective departments and positions efficiently. Next, let's establish your company's leave policy. Access the Leave Policy tab and set the start and end dates. These dates determine the annual leave balance for your employees. Define the eligibility criteria based on the required months of employment. Select the calculation method for bonus days and add them based on service years. You can decide whether to cancel unused leave or roll it over into the next year. Specify the maximum carry-forward days or percentage of remaining leave days that can be carried forward. Finally, set the leave expiration date and save the changes. Moving on, let's proceed with configuring the timesheet policy for your employees. In the Timesheet tab, you have the option to either edit existing policies or add new ones. Financio Payroll provides 3 timesheet modes: calendar days, manually entered hours, and shift scheduling. Simply choose the mode that best suits your needs and specify the working hours per day. Additionally, you can decide whether to require approval for daily timesheets. Don't forget to define the applicable days of the week and save your changes. Did you know that you can customize the system by setting up additional allowances and deductions? Simply navigate to the Allowance and Deduction tab, where you'll find pre-existing components. If you wish to add new allowances or deductions, don't forget to provide the required details, including the income type and contribution information. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, save the changes to complete the setup. To create shift list, simply navigate over here. With a few clicks, you can easily configure it. Last but not least, navigate to the Expense Claim tab. Here, you can add all the eligible claims and expenses. By following these straightforward steps, you'll successfully configure your company in Financio Payroll, empowering you with efficient and streamlined payroll management.